How did I make myself better than 82% of managers? It's easier than you might think. And how do I know it's 82%? Well, the results are in. It's a hard-edged number. A new survey on management and leadership has some data that's both shocking and completely unsurprising. If you've ever been managed by anyone, you'll hear these stats and say, yep, I can see that. But the numbers give us two massive secrets to how we can move ourselves above the competition and keep ourselves moving up the leadership ladder, including why you might be feeling like you're not getting ahead and others are getting an unfair advantage. But before we talk about that, let's dig into the numbers. It's a survey by the Chartered Management Institute in the UK. And they spoke to 4,500 managers and employees from across different industries. And they showed that 1 in 4 people take on management responsibilities, but a massive 82% of them have little or no management qualifications or training. Shocking. And unsurprising, right? You've probably had a terrible manager, didn't understand people, couldn't make a decision, never got results. And now you know why. They probably learned about management from someone who had never learned about management. They're in the 82%. They learned how to lead from someone in the 82%. And so the cycle of doom continues. So how did I make myself better than 82% of managers? Well, I took an interest in leadership and management. I read books, dozens of them, watched videos like this, hundreds of them, went on training courses on first-line management, difficult conversations, advanced personal leadership, senior strategic leadership. Simon Sinek says the best leaders are students of leadership. So book some training or buy a book. Buy my book. It's like £2 on Amazon for the Kindle version. It's really good. You'll like it. You'll be setting yourself apart in a big way. And there are 2 facts from this survey that explain what's happening when it feels like you're not getting ahead and others have an unfair advantage. If you'd like to know what they are, why not hit the like button to show me? Sorry. Okay, so have you ever watched someone get a promotion that you wanted that you know wasn't as good as you and thought, it's not fair? Well, here's a secret for you, cheeseball. Life ain't fair. Well, no, that was kind of mean, but there's a truth in it, and the survey shows it to us. Almost half the managers questioned said promotions are given out because of internal relationships, not because of who's best for the job. But people who spend more time in the office with senior managers are more likely to move up the ranks fast. This is called proximity bias, favouring those that are close to you. And the truth is, it's a fact of life. It's why life ain't fair, cheeseball. Sorry. It's just the way it is. People who are more likeable get hired or promoted more often, whatever their experience and ability. So after you've made yourself better than 82% of the competition by reading a bit, subscribing to this channel and booking some training, there are 3.5 things you can do to turn proximity bias from something that's holding you back to your secret unfair advantage. I talk about them in this video here, so you should go and watch that next, and I'll see you there.